Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll tell you about patterns. So let's start. As you can see, I have made these lines. You can also create these lines, mark at 1 centimeter and then join the lines and you will get the such type of graph, or you can do it in your Hindi notebook. Patterns are based on different type of shapes and lines. So I am using wavy line first. This is called wavy line, and creating some part with filling. So this is my first design I have created with wavy pattern. Now next I am creating again this curved V. You can double it or you can make it triple and then fill the rest of the area. Same you have to do with the opposite side, and you can create lines also or you can fill it. So I'll repeat the same design. I am designing it in semicircle, and I'll use some diagonal lines also. These are diagonal lines. These are some common designs which are used in traditional patterns: semicircle, curved V, wavy design, spiral. So I am repeating the same design. Now I'll change it little and I will use this flower petal design. There are some traditional designs which we use in patterns. So this flower is also a traditional design. Now next is wavy design, which I am using with straight vertical lines. These designs are suitable for the borders. When you are making any traditional art, you can use such designs in the borders of the painting. So you can repeat this process, spiral and lines. Again, this is another traditional design, and you have to give little curve on the upper side and you can join the curve. So if you practice, you'll find it very easy. Then one line and dot. Then I'm creating the same design from other technique. You can draw 4 or 5 lines according to you, and then you can join from the curve from upper side. So you can double it also to give more details. Next design I am creating in triangle, zigzag. You can say it zigzag also. Double it, and on the upper side also you can give shape of a triangle from opposite. Now I am doing some horizontal lines, and in upper I am giving vertical lines.